Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into how to master the speaking section of the Duolingo English test. If you're looking to score high and impress, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The Duolingo English test is becoming increasingly popular for demonstrating English proficiency. Its convenient online format, quick results, and affordability make it a great alternative to traditional exams like TOEFL and IELTS. I've taught the Duolingo English test to hundreds of students, and this channel has tons of videos on pronunciation, vocabulary, and communication skills to help you improve your speaking skills. And I can confidently say it's one of the most convenient and efficient ways to assess your English skills. You can take it from home with just a computer, webcam, and stable internet connection. No need for travel or scheduling hassles. Now, let's talk about the speaking section. It can be challenging, but with the right preparation, you can ace it. Here are some tips to help you out. First, familiarize yourself with the test format. The speaking section has 6 tasks, each with a different format. Knowing what to expect will help you approach each task confidently. Practice speaking in English as much as you can. Converse with native speakers, join language exchange programs, or even record yourself speaking and listen back for self-evaluation. Clear pronunciation is crucial. Improve your pronunciation by listening to native speakers, practicing tongue twisters, and using pronunciation apps or websites. A wide vocabulary is key. Read English books, watch English movies or TV shows, and make a list of new words and their meanings. This will help you express yourself better. The speaking section is timed, so practice speaking within the given time limits. This will help you manage your pace and avoid running out of time during the test. Utilize online resources that offer practice tests for the Duolingo English test. These will help you get familiar with the test format and assess your speaking skills. During the test, stay calm and confident. Practice deep breathing, speak clearly, and use positive body language. Remember, confidence can make a huge difference. If you encounter unexpected or challenging questions, stay calm. Listen carefully, take a moment to gather your thoughts, and don't be afraid to admit if you don't know the answer. Honesty is better than fumbling through a response. Improving pronunciation takes time and effort. Listen to native speakers, record yourself, practice tongue twisters, and focus on stress and intonation. These strategies will help you speak more clearly and confidently. Feeling nervous is natural, but don't let it overwhelm you. Practice regularly, familiarize yourself with the test format, and use relaxation techniques like deep breathing to stay calm during the test. In conclusion, achieving a high score in the speaking section of the Duolingo English test requires preparation, practice, and confidence. By following these tips and strategies, you'll be well on your way to success. Good luck with your test, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice on language learning and test preparation. See you in the next video.